Hi everyone, welcome to Vehicle Defence. We've got another vehicle in for a CAN IMMO, and this time it's an Audi RS3, brand new one, 2025. So I'll quickly show you how this works. So, get in the car. Start the car up. Car starts. I'm going to select gear there, so you can see I'm trying to select gear, doesn't go into gear. We put the code in. High beam flash there. Now we can select gear. What we can also do with these is we can add a tag onto them. Double flash there, say it's armed. So you can add a tag onto them. So I'll just grab the driver ID tag. So as soon as you get in the car, start the car up. You get your flash. Car will now go into gear. And that's the CAN IMMO. So give us a call, 0161 971 7208. See you soon.